Assalamu alaikum students. Hopefully you all are fine at your homes. I'm your teacher Binish Abrar. Today I'm going to teach you Unit 5 How Am I Doing? It is on page number 26. First of all, comprehension. Read the news report to find the answer to these questions. The news report. First prize is icing on the cake. Rashid is the happy winner of the first prize at the end of term cookery competition at Firozpur Grammar School. He receives a cash prize and a recipe book. I am over the moon, exclaimed Rashid. I never expected any success. I love cooking so much that taking part is enough for me. The prize is just the icing on the cake. In this line, you find out that Rashid shows his expressions that he is very happy and he just want to participate in the competition. He don't want to get any prize, but in case he has won the prize, so it is like icing on the cake. It is like that thing to him. I asked Rashid a few questions after the competition. First question was, how did you have to do in the competition? Answer was, I had to bake a simple sandwich cake. That's not a sandwich, by the way. You bake two cakes of similar size, 22 centimeters in diameter. Next, you place jam and cream between them. Finally, you place extra fresh cream and fruits on top. When did you start cooking? I started baking at my grandmother's house. I visit her every Wednesday afternoon as my parents both busy then. We started making biscuits and soon as I was making cheese biscuits and fruit cakes. What is the secret of your success? I don't want to sound too serious, but cooking is called food technology for a reason. You measure the quantities carefully, especially when baking cakes. You bake at a certain regular temperature. Guesswork is no good in cake making, I promise you. Who are your fans? My little sister is my greatest fan. She loves chocolatey things and is always asking me to bake chocolate and nut brownies. My granddad also has a sweet tooth. Sweet tooth. Sweet tooth means persons who love to eat sugar. He is often round at Wednesday tea times. Surprise, surprise. When your next competition? There's an inter-school cookery competition next December, so I hear. And you will be there? Of course. So the questions are, how was Rashid feeling about the result of the competition? And the answer is, Rashid was very happy and surprised. Rashid was very happy and surprised. You have to note it on your workbooks. You have to do the questions which I am explaining in this lecture. You have to do it in your workbooks. And I will check them after the vacations, inshallah. Answer is, Rashid was very happy and surprised. Question number 2. What are his future plans? Answer is, he is going to enter the inter-school cookery competition next December. He is going to enter the inter-school cookery competition next December. Question number 2. Circle the correct words. Circle the correct words. This is options: an interview, a news report, both an interview and a report. So you have to circle both an interview and a report. Part B, the reporter discusses, reports, Rashid exact words. So the answer is reports. Circle it. Part C, Rashid discusses past and present, and future events. And the answer is past, present and future event. Circle it. Question number 3, answer the question below using the sentence starters. Sentence starters are given to you. You have to complete the sentence or the answer. Part A, what did the cooks have to do in the competition? Answer is, they have to bake a simple sandwich cake. You can find answers over here on page number 26. They have to bake a simple sandwich cake. Part B. Why does Rashid cook at his grandparents' house? Answer is, he goes there on Wednesday afternoons because both his parents are busy. Because both his parents are busy. Question number 3. What kinds of things did Rashid cook at first? Answer is, he cooked biscuits. He cooked biscuits and later cheese biscuits and fruit cakes. Part D. What 2 things must you do to bake good cakes? Answer is, you must measure the quantities carefully. Part B, second option answer is, you must bake the cake at a certain regular temperature. Question number 5. Which people in Rashid family enjoying his cake? Answer is, his little sister and his granddad both enjoy his cooking. Next question number 4. What do you think? Explain your ideas to a partner, then write the answer in your notebook. Part A. Does the phrase icing on the cake mean 1. Something sweet or some extra good news? So the correct one is something sweet. Other is, which is more important to Rashid? 1. Taking part. 2. The prize. And the answer is taking part. Part C. Do you think that Rashid has a careful or careless character? How do you know? And the answer is, be very careful while listening. Answer is, he is careful and cooks carefully without guesswork. Part C answer is, he is careful and cooks carefully without guesswork. Next, part D. If you have a sweet tooth, do you 1. Like eating sweet things or get toothache when eating sugary things? Answer is, like eating sweet things. A person who has a sweet tooth means he likes eating sweet things. Part E. How might Rashid prizes be useful to him? Answer is, he can use the cash to buy cooking equipment. For his cake making. He can try new recipes. From his recipe book. Next page number 28. Match the greetings and closing of the letters. Write 1 to 4 in the gaps. Match the greetings and closing of the letters. Write 1 to 4 in the gaps. Part A is, hi mum. It should be matched with lots of love, Kulsum. 3 will come here. B is, dear Auntie Fatma. So it will goes with love from Yasmin. B is matched with 2. C is, dear Dr. Khan. It will be matched with 4, which is, yours sincerely, Khalid Sayyad. 4 will come over here. D is, dear Jawad. It will goes with best wishes, Wazir 1. Next, question number 6. Write the full forms of the days and months with commas. I have done this for you. You can look it from here. Okay, this is the full form of months and dates. Next, circle the correct words. Part A. Yesterday, ma'am went into town to buy some shalwar kameez. You have to circle the right one for Eid. The buses were very crowded, so she took a circled a taxi. Then she went to the market and bought some melon and melons. So the correct one is melons, and some fish or fishes. So the correct one is fish. B. Last weekend we went to the wildlife park. We saw blue sheep. Correct one is sheep. Red deer. Correct one is deer. And enormous American bison. Enormous American bison. Bison should be circle. Species. This one is correct. Of bird. I took some photos of their feathers. This one is correct. Part C. On Tuesday the weather was unchanged. The airport near our house was covered in mist. So no aircraft, circle aircraft, were landing or taking off. The skies were beautifully quiet. Next page number 29. Question number 8. Make noun phrases from the table, then write them on the lines below. First one is done for you, which is a long-haired girl with a dirty old bicycle. B is a serious looking boy with shiny new chappals. A gray-haired man with 5 white chickens. Fine dupattas with bright flowery patterns. Hot blackened rotis on an old metal plate. Galloping horses with drumming hooves. Next question number 9. Write a and or some for the gaps in this email from Rashid. You have to use a and some. Part A. Thanks for your email about my prize. Yes, it was a unique opportunity to take part in a cookery competition. B. Usually I do some cooking at my grandparents' house, but this week we are having a half-term break, so I am at home. Part C. Right now I am making an apple cake. As you know that in the start of vowels like A, E, I, O, U, we will use an apple cake. So apple is starting with vowel A, so an will be used. Every quarter of an hour. As you can see, R is starting with H, but H is silent over here. The main sound is of R, so we are using an over here. An R. My sister Rahila comes to see if it's ready. Part D. My uncle Umar is a hotel manager and he does all the work. He says he's a one-man band. Every morning he puts some newspaper beside the entrance with an honest. H is silent over here, so we are using an honesty box. Part E. If a hotel, a Hotel guest takes a newspaper. He or she puts some money in the box. I expect every guest to be an honest person, says my uncle. Part F. I have a baby brother. He wears a onesie and has some milk once an hour. Part G. My food technology teacher is Mr. Kareem. He's a uniquely sensible teacher. It's an honor to be in his class. After listening to the lecture 1 which I have delivered of unit 1 of your student book, and then the workbook lecture, you will be able to do your week 1 summer task of unit 1 which I have given to you. So be very careful while doing your summer task. Hopefully you will do it in a very good way. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.